When it comes to combining versatility with pure utility, the Thor Freedom Elite lineup plays in its own league. As an exclusive offering built by Thor Motor Coach for Camping World, Freedom Elite spans both Class B and Class C motorhomes, giving shoppers a wide spread of floor plans and chassis choices to fit different camping styles, road needs, and adventure levels. Today, we're diving deep into everything the Freedom Elite has to offer, inside and out. We'll break down the standout features across both classes, touch on construction, and finish off with what you can realistically tow behind one. Spoiler alert, it's probably more than you think. So let's kick things off with the Class B side of the lineup. Built on the Ram ProMaster 1500 chassis, this gas-powered van is clearly targeted toward the adventurous couple or solo road warrior who wants maximum flexibility without hauling around a beast of a rig. The cockpit is more refined than you'd expect from a cargo van. The touchscreen dash radio comes loaded with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrates with your phone for calls, music, and navigation. Add to that steering wheel audio controls and driver assist features like attention assist, traffic sign recognition, lane keeping, and blind spot monitoring, and suddenly this camper van starts feeling more like a high-tech commuter car. Inside, the cabin delivers a modern outdoorsy aesthetic with a wood panel-inspired ceiling and soft-touch fabric walls. It's cozy without trying too hard. Overhead cabinets and soft-close drawers give you smart storage solutions, and the kitchen includes a single-burner induction cooktop that stows away, a pressed countertop, a 12-volt fridge, and an undermount stainless steel sink with a sleek faucet and cover. It's compact, yes, but not stripped down. Your dining space is a convertible dinette bench with a lagoon table system, perfect for eating, working, or just relaxing. Sleeping happens in the 47 by 75-inch double bed, which lifts up to reveal massive mega storage space underneath. You'll also find dual mesh lockers on an L-track system, which are basically large maneuverable duffel bag style storage that hangs in the back. But before we move on, one slick feature you'll want to keep an eye out for is the optional Skybunk, a rooftop pop-up sleeping space that gives you extra room without adding to your footprint. On the outside, the Class B models include a rear outdoor shower, 5,000-pound hitch, 3,000-watt inverter, battery disconnect, solar prep, and awning prep. Now in the Class C category, Freedom Elite delivers serious variety. You can choose from a Chevy or Ford chassis on the smaller to mid-size models, a Ford exclusive chassis on the larger ones, or go premium with a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter diesel or Ford Transit chassis if you want that sweet spot between Class B maneuverability and Class C livability. The cockpit across most chassis features a 7-inch touchscreen radio with Bluetooth, CarPlay, Android Auto, and Sirius XM readiness. Cup holders, map lights, and blackout privacy curtains round out the setup. The Sprinter brings even more to the table: heated power swivel captain's chairs, remote mirrors, and a rear view monitor mirror. Inside the living space, the first thing you'll notice is height, a full 84 inches of ceiling clearance, making it comfortable for everyone except your friend who used to play for the NBA. The hard vinyl ceiling houses the 13,500 BTU AC, upgraded to 15,000 in the Sprinter models. And at your feet, you'll find residential vinyl flooring, durable and very easy to clean. Furniture includes the iconic Dream Dinette booth, and some floor plans throw in a leatherette sofa for good measure. You'll even find child safety tethers built into the dinette. Dual tethers in most models, single in the Sprinter. Some floor plans also add a wireless phone charger with USB right in the table. And if you look up, you'll see the cab over bunk, a classic Class C staple with telescoping ladder access, cup holders, and its own ceiling vent. It's roomy enough to sleep to and typically includes a 32-inch smart TV for the living area. Some floor plans also offer bedroom TV prep for some added viewing options. The kitchen packs everything you need: a glass-covered recessed cooktop, 2 burners or 3 on the Sprinter, convection microwave with air fryer, and a large 12-volt double-door fridge give you the firepower to cook like you mean it. Meal prep and cleanup are streamlined thanks to a pressed laminate countertop, undermount stainless sink, and a high-rise faucet with cover. You'll also find plenty of smart touches like soft close drawers, hidden hinges, pop-up outlets, and accent lighting in select models. And when it's time to crash, the bedroom options vary. You might get a queen, a Murphy bed, a full, or even a convertible king, all depending on the floor plan. Either way though, you're getting a real mattress and designer bedspread that feels more like home than highway. Most models have a spacious wardrobe closet plus a 12-volt CPAP outlet, USB charging, and blackout shades for undisturbed sleep, or doom scrolling, depending on how you're feeling. Bathrooms are fully enclosed, featuring residential-style sinks, skylight showers with built-in shelving, robe hooks, and upgraded shower curtains. The tankless water heater ensures long, hot showers. Just keep your tank levels in mind. On the outside, the Freedom Elite brings big utility. You'll get lighted rotocast storage compartments plus mega storage bays for all your gear. The power patio awning keeps you shaded, while slide-out awnings protect your slides. Rear ladder prep is included, and you'll also get black framed windows, a deadbolt entry, and a rear camera prep system. Power-wise, you'll find a 4,000-watt gas generator, although it will be propane-powered for your Sprinter models. You'll also find solar prep standard across the line, and in the Sprinter, a 100-watt solar panel with controller and an expandable port already installed. Propane quick connects are standard for outdoor cooking, and heated holding tanks are either prep ready or standard depending on the chassis. Freedom Elite's build quality deserves credit. Every unit features welded tubular aluminum roof and sidewall framing, vacuum bond laminated walls, roof, and floor with block foam insulation, and a premium one-piece domed roof membrane. The one-piece fiberglass front cap and one-piece upper rear cap improve aerodynamics, weather resistance, and durability. It's solid, it's tested, and it's built to be driven. A lot. Towing capacity depends on the chassis, but it's generous across the board. If you're rolling with a Ford or Chevy Class C, you're looking at an 8,000-pound hitch. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, Ford Transit, and Class B Ram models have a 5,000-pound hitch. A Honda Accord? No problem. Dirt bikes, a trailer with jet skis, or even a small utility trailer? Totally doable. Just remember to include the weight of the trailer and the toys when calculating your total load. The Thor Freedom Elite lineup is versatile, smartly designed, and offers everything from nimble Class Bs to full-blown family-sized Class Cs. Whether you're chasing the van life dream or looking for a full-service RV that can sleep the whole crew, there's a Freedom Elite model ready to go. Want help finding the right one or making sure your current vehicle can tow behind it? Stop by your local Camping World. They'll get you sorted and maybe even hand you the keys to your next big adventure. I'm Ian Baker, and until next time, happy camping.